Hi, want to know how to enable or disable call forwarding on your Pixel 9 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to open the phone application and then find these three dots in the right upper corner. Here, we would need to click on this button Settings and then watch until you'll find this tab named Calling Account. So, click on it. Here, we would need to choose our SIM card, which mine is number 1 Vodafone ZZ. And here, we would need to click this button Call Forwarding. As you can see here, we got 4 options for the call forwarding, which is always forward, when busy, when unanswered, or when unreachable. And to turn on the call forwarding, firstly, you would need to choose for which of these options you would like to enable it. For example, I'll choose always forward, and here we would need to enter number where we would like to forward the calls. So I'll enter the number and then click turn on. Now there is a little bit check if this number is working, and this is it. You can see that we got always forward the calls to this number. And now if you would like to disable the call forwarding, you would need to choose one of the options, click on it, and here just choose turn off. And after this, the forwarding will be disabled. That's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.